You are going to love the 2016 Transit-350. The Transit-350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.